Hello everyone, I'm back with another miniature tin craft, and it looks like we have a ticket to anywhere. So let's take a trip to Provence in a sea of purple flowers that spread to the horizon in the mysterious forest castle of Lavender Manor. You can almost smell the intoxicating scent of flowers and hear the buzzing of little bees. Maybe even a bakery that makes honey and lavender cookies. Sounds like a warm, sweet dream. Let's go. Sweet dreams among blooms, honey and lavender cookies. I got the majority of the recipe from Lovely Green's blog. We'll be using some pure wildflower honey, and we'll be melting 2/3 cup butter in the microwave. Just melt the butter until it's just barely melted. Then add 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of honey. We're going to mix with a blender until smooth. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and some lavender extract. This is optional, but it gives another dimension to the cookies. Just use a scant 1/8 of a teaspoon, and then add an egg. Now we're going to add 2 cups of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Blend everything together on low speed until everything's incorporated. Then we're going to wrap it up in some saran wrap and chill it for 30 minutes in the refrigerator. When it's chilled, you can take out small teaspoon size blobs and roll them in some coarse sugar, and then place them on a parchment lined pan, and then we're going to use some French blue lavender to sprinkle on top. You can squish it down just a little bit to make sure it stays, and then proceed to fill the entire pan, or you can actually mix some lavender into the dough if you want to and do it that way. Either way tastes great. And when they're all ready, they look sort of like banana slices. Bake them in a 350-degree oven for 10 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. They're nice and buttery, and when they cool, they're chewy and really quite delicious. So if you like lavender, you'll really like these cookies. It tastes like a honey sugar cookie with a little something extra added. Well, thanks for watching.